Of this morning question, problem 7 problem, alpha to the power 4 beta to the power 7 plus beta to the power 4 alpha power 7. Okay, what the answer? Find the value of that. So I send the tudes also. I have 3 tudes. I will send the other. So those registered only I can send. If you give the detailed name and your batch and the address, school, everything, then I can WhatsApp you the tudes, JPG or PDF pattern. Okay, so see, this answer is what the value. Here, take the common factors out. What are the common factors? Alpha power 4, beta power 4, right? Take alpha power 4, beta power 4 as a common HCF, highest common factor. Therefore, the remaining here beta cube plus here what? Alpha cube, right? These are the two remaining parts within brackets. So therefore, this I can say alpha, beta. Don't copy the previous answers. Use the from first principle method, right? So alpha cube plus beta cube answer. So I said factorization. A cube plus b cube is a plus b one factor, a square minus ab plus b square. So here alpha plus beta one factor, the other one, not need the big bracket, other one alpha square, if it positive say here negative, multiply the both, alpha beta plus beta square. Okay, a simple basic question. The idea, the roots are given, then find some other expression pattern or form. So further, alpha beta power 4 into alpha plus beta. How this one? Take the first and the last. 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 That is alpha plus beta, all things square, and alpha square available, multiple both and double. Here no 2 alpha beta, here no 2 alpha beta, therefore you have to subtract the 2 alpha beta, right? Because 2 alpha beta is an additional term. So subtract the 2 alpha beta, already one subtract, therefore 3 alpha beta subtract, and that's all, is it? Okay, so here alpha plus beta, take the first and the last, alpha plus beta all things square, that is this, then minus 2 alpha beta, already 1 alpha beta subtract, so totally 3 alpha beta subtract, right? Therefore now you can apply the answer. What is the question? If the roots of x square plus mx plus n equals 0 is alpha and beta, then find the answers of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Hence go to the value of this. The problem is find the value of this. So therefore, someone, I don't know that. Okay. Okay, see, therefore now apply the value. Alpha into beta n to the power 4. Okay, n to the power 4. Alpha plus beta is minus m. Alpha plus beta is minus m. But the other bracket, alpha plus beta square, that is m square minus 3 alpha beta is 3n. Okay, that's the answer. Or if you want, you can take the minus out or keep it that minus m n to the power 4 m square minus 3n. Okay, So I think Akif, I don't know who this Akif for, no problem today. You have to give full your total details, then only it's automatically linked. Otherwise, no chance in these sessions, right? Today, no matter. I said all my tudes, your WhatsApp number, but 2 of them don't have these tudes, I think. So just you register through WhatsApp by giving your name, address, especially school, and you have to pay the payments and send it. Then automatically you can continue the lessons, right? Okay. So it's if you this morning Abhishek, if you work, check your answer. Balanda hadala tibbana me wage entone uttare. Minus m n4 is the answer. Next one, alpha power 5 plus beta to the power 5, right? The question is, alpha and beta are the solution or the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus mx plus n equal to 0. Then find those values. So I gave there 10 problems this morning. I start this lesson. That is all we worked here. Next one, alpha to the power 5 plus beta to the power 5. For the important part, one of the questions in the exam, pure maths, first paper, second paper, big problem, quadratic equation, 150 marks. Most parts come, first part of that is this, about the root problem. So a brief note I gave this morning, very clear. So the newcomers, you can shuffle the others and take that note. If you come regular, I am guaranteed to complete successfully the results, syllabus and all. Okay, see, very important here. Alpha to the 5 plus beta to the power 5. You can't say answer is m to the power 5. If a plus b is 10, what is a square plus b square, not 100? There's a big issue for that. I hope you successfully complete your O-levels, right? Okay, see the method here. The value of this, find the value of this. So here, I will write this power 5 like this. Alpha square plus beta square and multiple alpha power 3 plus beta power 3, right? Alpha power 5 plus beta to the power 5. I take the answer like this, multiple with this. So if you multiple these two, there's a chance for the power 5, no? What is multiple? These two bracket, alpha square, alpha cube, indices, bases are same at the power, that is alpha power 5. The same multiple the last two, beta power 5. But some other terms are additional extra parts, right? Therefore you have to remove those extra parts. What are the additional parts? Subtract those. Alpha square beta cube, ne? Alpha square beta cube. Next what? Minus beta square alpha cube. These are additional terms to be subtract, right? Okay, therefore, again, it's long problem, long question. So already we worked this bracket, but the answer. Here, but the answer. But don't use that answer straightly. Always follow in advanced mathematics. Everything you have to go by proving those. You can't use the other things. Always follow, use the first principle method. So how this I worked, how to find this answer. We know alpha plus beta and alpha into beta only. Therefore here I can say alpha plus beta, all things square. Then here alpha square available, beta square available, multiple both and double. There's no double, therefore additional subtract 2 alpha beta. Okay, that's the first bracket. Also come again this alpha cube plus beta cube. The sum of the cube, that's the factorization form. What are the factors? Alpha plus beta, one factor. The other one, if it's alpha, here alpha square. If it's positive, say here minus. Multiple these two, alpha into beta. At last beta square, right? At last beta square. Okay, that is this part. Come the last term. What is the last? That's the new term in this question. What is that? Here, take something common. See what the common part. Take out. Take out the common factors there. Minus. Can I take the minus symbol out? Take the alpha square out and beta square out. And what the remaining part? Beta. I show here. Plus alpha, right? Beta plus alpha. Beta plus alpha is the remaining part, right? Beta plus alpha is the remaining part. So therefore, alpha plus beta, again we simplify there, no? Alpha plus beta completely square minus 2 times alpha beta. And here what? Alpha plus beta. So same thing comes once again, right? Once you show, don't forget the method. Same values are repeats. So see here, first and the last. First and the last, most popular part in this QE chapter. Alpha square plus beta square. You can write that. Alpha plus beta. All things square. But you know, if we expand, alpha square available, beta square available, plus 2 alpha beta. There's no plus 2 alpha beta. Therefore, subtract 2 alpha beta. Already 1 alpha beta subtract. Therefore, totally 3 alpha beta. Okay, that's all this bracket. Finally here, minus alpha square, beta square, alpha plus beta. Okay, that's all. Now you can write the values. You can write the values of this all. Alpha plus beta, say minus m. Alpha into beta, say n. So I show here. So what is this bracket? Alpha plus beta is minus m. Square is m square minus 2 alpha beta, that is 2. What is alpha beta? N. Okay, 2n. This is part of the expression, the answer, part of the answer. The other bracket, alpha plus beta minus m, right? Alpha plus beta minus m, other bracket, other answer. And come here, what the next bracket? Alpha plus beta, all things square, that is m square minus 3n, okay? So again, minus alpha square beta square. What is alpha beta? N. Alpha into beta n. Therefore alpha square beta square is n square, right? N square minus n square into what is that? Alpha plus beta is minus m, ne? So can I say plus m therefore? Okay, this is the answer, right? This is the answer. Or I can give a form like this. I take the minus m in front, right? Minus m I take the in front. And m square minus 2n. Next one, m square. Is it okay? If you work, check will you? You try it. Let's say I stopped this morning. I give time to work your own knowledge. Whatever you try that. It's the answer of the problem number 8, right? The roots are given, find those values. That's the simple first time reading question for grade 12. For the beginners, that comes after O levels. Okay, see next one, and the very important question there is alpha minus beta. What is alpha plus beta called? Sum of the roots. Sum of the roots. Alpha into beta means product of the roots. What is the ninth problem? Alpha minus beta. That means difference between the root. There's no standard form of that for difference between the root. So I proved this morning that part. Sum of the roots, product of the root, their standard answers. Alpha plus beta minus BOA. Alpha into beta COA. For the QE, AX square plus BX plus C equal to 0. Okay. Now see what the answer, alpha minus beta, right? So once you learn hereafter simple, alpha minus beta, find the value. So in this case, you take alpha minus beta all things square. You consider alpha minus beta complete square expansion. If you know alpha, for example, alpha minus beta square is 100. What is alpha minus beta? Plus or minus 10. If alpha minus beta all things square is 25, alpha minus beta is plus or minus 5. Therefore, that's the idea, right? So what happens if I expand alpha square minus 2 alpha beta plus beta square, right? Now try to put the value, sum of the alpha and plus beta, alpha into beta values. Then what is that? Take the first and the last. Take the first and the last. Alpha plus beta, all things square. Then what happened? Alpha square available, beta square available, multiple both and double. 2 alpha beta addition positive, ne? But there's no positive 2 alpha beta here. Therefore, to remove that, subtract 2 alpha beta. Subtract 2 alpha beta. Already another 2 subtracted, ne? Therefore, totally what? 4 alpha beta. 4 alpha beta, right? Therefore, what is alpha plus beta here? Minus m square. What is 4 alpha into beta? C over n. Therefore, alpha minus beta answer is what? Square root m square minus 4n. Don't miss the plus or minus, right? Don't miss the plus or minus symbol. So very important. Many final exam papers such as alpha minus beta or lambda minus mu, gamma minus delta, such problem that's called modulus. We'll see later in the inequality. This answer can be shown as a modulus pattern, the bracket form, vertical bracket called modulus. Okay, see the next question. Alpha power 4 plus beta power 4, the last problem in this, alpha power 4 plus beta to the power 4. What is the idea? So in this case we take that one like alpha power 4 plus, you can say the answer is m square, no? Complete power 4, so the separate power, you can say that. So can I write this expression alpha square plus beta square completely square, right? Alpha square plus beta square completed square, right? Now expand and see what an additional comes, subtract. So what is that? If you expand alpha power 4, a plus b, all things are oral mathematics, binomial. In A level we have the big problem in binomial expansions. Binomial theorem we call here. So a plus b, all things square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So it's square, power 4 available. It's square, okay. Multiple 2 and double, not there. So you have to subtract, right? Minus 2 alpha square beta square, right? Therefore, take the mid part once again, very familiar part for us, that one. Alpha square plus beta square can be rearranged as alpha plus beta completely square subtract 2 alpha beta, okay. Alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta all things square, subtract the additional part, but inside I expand like that, but complete square is available, completely square is available, minus 2 alpha beta is a completely square, ne? Okay, that's all. Now you can apply the values, you can substitute the values, we can apply all these values. Known part, alpha plus beta, what is that, minus m, so square is m square, ne? M square minus 2 alpha beta n, completely square, minus 2 times alpha into beta n, right? Okay, that's the case of this basic problem. So many parts I worked this morning, and now the whole problem is completed. The roots are given and finding the answers of the following, right? Okay, then we'll see some more questions simple to the tude question. I have 3 tudes. I send it this night. The other tude is my first tude, simple for problems. So I will complete the first question, second question. We'll see the third problem, right? Third tude question, third. So you can see the PDF of the tude. The third question, if alpha and beta are the roots of 2x square minus 5x minus 1, 0. 2x square minus 5x minus 1, 0. Find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. First one, alpha cube plus beta cube. Second one, alpha plus beta completely square. What is the third one? Alpha minus beta completely square. So in the basic ideas, if the roots are given, find the values of that. Two x square minus 5x minus 1 equal to 0. That's a quadratic equation. The two solutions are alpha and beta. Therefore, very first, you will write the sum of the roots and the product of the roots, right? So what is that? Alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta answer? Here A for 2, ne? B for minus 1, C for minus 1, right? A for 2, B for minus 5, C for minus 1. So generally alpha plus beta is minus B over A. Therefore in this case what is the answer? 5 over 2, ne? Alpha plus beta 5 over 2. Next find alpha into beta. What is alpha into beta here? C over A, right? C for minus 1, A for 2. That's all. Now go to the answer. Simple. There's no question like this, the final papers. But the school term papers, they will ask some beginning part problem like this. So what is the first question? First problem, find the values of alpha cube plus beta cube, right? Find the values of alpha cube plus beta cube. So again we already mentioned the previous. So try to show the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Then only you can apply these number values, numerical values. So better you factorize, ne? Factorize this. A cube plus B cube factors are A plus B, A plus B, okay. Next one, what is here? It's square. If it plus, say here minus, okay. Next multiple this 2, alpha into beta. At last, beta square. This is the standard basic mathematics. A cube plus B cube factorization, right? So hereafter, alpha plus beta 1 factor, factorize the other, take the first and the last, take the first and the last. You work many times, every paper this pattern available. So what is that? Alpha plus beta, all things square, then alpha square available, beta square available, additional 2 alpha beta, not there in the given original part. So subtract 2 alpha beta, already one is subtracted, therefore 3 alpha beta, okay, 3 alpha beta. So what is the answer? Alpha plus beta 5/2 and alpha plus beta square 25/4, okay, 3 times alpha beta, but the 3 into is minus half, ne? Can I say plus half this? Now you can simplify, get the answer, right? It's a number value. If I hope you can work that one by simplification. Next straight question, alpha plus beta all things square. That is straight problem. So within short periods will break, I think, the disconnect. The second question, alpha plus beta completely square. It's simple, right? Alpha plus beta is what? 5/2, therefore 25/4. What is third question? What is the answer? Alpha minus beta all things square. Alpha minus beta all things square. How that? Expand is alpha square minus 2 alpha beta plus beta square, right? Alpha minus beta all things square, right? Now take the first and the last. Take the first and the last. Alpha plus beta all things square. Then what happened? 2 additional, ne? Alpha square available, beta square available, multiple both and double. So subtract the 2 alpha beta, subtract. Already one there, for totally 4 here, ne? 4 alpha beta subtract, right? 4 times alpha beta subtracted. 4 times alpha beta subtracted, okay? Alright, dance. Alpha plus beta 5/2, then 25/4, no? Right? And what is 4 times alpha beta? 4 times means minus plus comes, therefore 2 I. 4 times alpha beta 2, no? So simplify, that is 6, 8, 33 over something, right? That is your work. So it's simple ideas I'm giving once again. If the roots are given, how to find such a, this is one of the part in big essay problem, right? They begin from this, you have to go to the final part step by step. Okay. Next I show you question number 9 in my tute, problem 9. Or if I say the question, if one root of the equation mx square plus nx plus p equal to 0. If one root of the equation mx square plus nx plus p equal to 0 is twice the other root, is it? See question number 9. I sent you already that tute. Twice the other, find the relationships that connecting with m and p, the coefficient relations. So another frequently asking such a problem. If one root is double the other, right? See, so many problems there, and this is my first tute. We'll work today all that type of questions. If one root is double the other, write the expression answer between M and P, right? Therefore, we have to complete. We don't know what are the roots, ne? You know, every quadratic equation has two solutions. So in this case, we don't know what are the roots. So we have to complete properly that they say what? One root double the other. Okay, see the method. See the method. Let the roots are. Okay, roots are. But one, for example, one is 5. Other one is 10. Double. If one is 3. Other one is 6. If one is 1. Other one is 2. If one is A, other one is 2A. Okay. So therefore we say roots are what? Alpha, comma, 2 alpha. Okay. So study first time. If you're learning first time this chapter, take full work with me. The ideas of QE chapter, basic to advanced. So we say one root is alpha, other one 2 alpha. If it's beta, say 2 beta. Or alpha, if anybody says alpha by 2, that also correct. One is alpha, other one is alpha by 2, half alpha. Double, ne? But better avoid the fraction. We take this. Okay. Next, after getting that, after showing that, write always the summation of the root and the product of the root. Therefore, alpha plus beta, what is the answer generally? Minus b over a. Here minus n over m, right? Alpha plus beta minus b over a. Here what? N over m. So I mention alpha. Yeah, what we are mentioning in a particular problem, we have to eliminate that part, or we have to calculate the alpha, right? What the value of alpha? That's important. So addition this 3 alpha, ne? 3 alpha is minus n over m. So what is 1 alpha? Minus n over 3m, right? I say my first equation, sum of the roots, right? Alpha plus beta minus b over a. Alpha plus beta minus b over a. Next come that alpha into beta. What is alpha into beta? C over a, right? Alpha into beta, C over a. So when you multiple 2 alpha square equal to P over M. What is here? A for M, B for N, C for P, right? We say that second equation. Now the idea of this type of question, you have to eliminate the alpha by connecting both of these pair equation. Try to eliminate or remove the alpha, then there's the answer comes in terms of M and P. That's the solution. Connect the 1 comma 2, connect the 1 comma 2. 2. So what is alpha? Minus n over 3m completely square equal P over m. So 2 completely square what? N square 9m square here P over m, right? So here m not 0. You know, I said yesterday this morning, in front of x square always a positive answer. In front of x square never comes 0. So here m not 0, m not 0. Therefore you can cut 1m. You can say better. It's a pure maths, not like O-level mathematics. Every conditions are very important. M not equal to 0. Within brackets m not equal to 0, right? Therefore what the answer? 2n square equal to 9mp. Something they are show that, like this, show that kila denama. So here that's the relation between these m and p. If one root double the other, right? One root is double the other. One root is double the other, twice of the other. Next question number 11. In my tube, the problem number 11. All similar fashion. So remember, not like O levels, you have so many days you have to work because big problem. Once we complete successfully, you have nothing, you have to revise that. I can show last week 2020 exam paper also. Everything simple. If you regularly connect with me, then I am guaranteed I can take full part of your results. But you also to work the teacher. I said this morning, teacher's part is less. Teacher's part is less in advanced level, especially science section. The students work too many. Okay, same either question number 11. Or this is the problem. If one root of the quadratic equation, x square minus 4px plus 27 equal to 0. If one root of the quadratic equation x square minus 4px plus 27 is square of the other, find the value of p. So the question, someone's mic is off. Mute your mic. So one root of the other. Next question, question number 11 in my tube. Or see here, they say this quadratic equation, one root is the square of the other. One root is square of the other. Then find the value of p. Right? So similar fashion, same idea. If I say one root is 5, other one is 25. If one root is minus 2, other root is plus 4. If one root is 7, other one is 49. If one root is 1 over 3, other one is 1 over 9. Okay. So therefore we say let the roots are what? Alpha, comma, don't say beta, alpha square, alpha square, right? They say one root is square of the other. One answer is one root is square of the other. Then find the value of p. So important question for school papers. Also find a structure paper. There's like MCQ here, mathematics don't know MCQ papers. There are 10 questions structure type, 25 marks each. For that they'll ask these questions. Okay, so always now I mention alpha or you say something beta, or if you go to another teacher they say lambda. So but in final part you can't leave it the alpha, you can't keep the beta, you can't keep whatever it is. So therefore we have to eliminate those from the expression, from the question, right? Okay, so therefore alpha plus beta, what is the answer? Minus b over a. Yes, study properly. What is ABC? A is 1, right? A is 1. B is minus 4p, right? C is 27. So generally alpha plus beta is minus b over a, right? Therefore minus b over a is 1. Therefore 4p, 4p. Okay, I say my first equation, right? First equation, sum of the roots minus b over a, okay? Next, right, product of the root alpha into beta c over a, right? Alpha into beta, okay, alpha into beta c over a. So therefore one is alpha, other root is alpha square, answer c over a. What is the order mathematics? Indices, alpha cube 27. So what is alpha? 3, ne? Alpha is 3. That's all. Alpha is 3. Say second equation. So actually alpha cube is 27. Later we'll study. We have 3 answers. You know the basic systems of equation. Quadratic nam uttara dekak tiyantone. So why don't the power 3 come? 3 answers should be there, ne? That's why I said this morning, complex number chapter, grade 13, complex numbers. We can use 3 answers there. Okay. Now here alpha is 3. So put here. Put alpha over 3 and find the p-value. Question is find the p-value. So put the value for alpha 3. Find the answers of p. Answer of p. So from the first equation, what is 4p equal? What is 4p equal? Alpha is 3 plus alpha square 9. Eh? Therefore 12. So what is p? 4. 3. Find the value of p. P is 3, right? Simple. So here I am giving some ideas how to solve. So if you follow regular this pattern, if you work your own again, keep in touch. Then simple. You can, the speed timing also important. You can't take long hours or long minutes to work such a question. Okay, next I'll show you my 12th problem. In my 12th problem, see, go through and see question number 12. Over this question 12, if x square plus 6x plus c, if x square plus 6x plus c equal to 0 has roots differ by 2a, has roots differ by 2a, show that a square equal 9 minus c, right? The roots differ by 2a. Differ, what do you mean differ? Venasa. The root atara thiyena venasa, that different is 2a. For example, if I say one is alpha, one is beta, then what they say? Alpha minus beta is 2a. Or beta minus alpha also 2a. Different, that minus symbol, different, subtract. Subtract is 2a, right? If the roots which differ by 2a, then show the answer. See, also same method. If you say alpha, beta, then try to remove the alpha, beta in the answer, go to the solution. Or you can, there are 2 methods. You can take one is alpha, other one is beta. Or one is alpha, other one is Ken. I will show the both method. I will show the both. See, the previous 2 questions we not apply beta, no? Only alpha we said. Okay, I show 2 methods. So you decide the way how it's possible, what the easy method. Method 1. Method 1. Method 1. Let the roots are. You have to complete, keep full neat notebook, right? Don't draw roughly, don't write rough sketch or rough that katu wedem karan depa uparima nice keep neat note, then it's clear, right? Otherwise now it's okay, but later next month or next year you don't know what's happened these sessions. So let the roots are what can I say? Alpha and beta. Let the roots are alpha comma beta, right? Therefore, write the summation of the roots and the product of the roots expression. Summation of the roots and the product of the root expression. So what is that? Therefore, alpha plus beta generally minus b over a. Here a is 1, b for 6, c for c. Ne? So what is the answer? Minus b over a, minus 6, a for 1. Next, alpha beta is c over a. Okay, that's all in this summation and the product. Now in this question especially they said one thing, given that what is that? Alpha minus beta 2a. The roots are differ by 2a. That's 2a. Therefore from there you can go to the answer, right? So as I work on the different expression for alpha minus beta, there's no straight answer for alpha minus beta. You have the summation answer and the product of the root answer. You don't have the alpha minus beta answer. Therefore the idea here, square both sides, square both sides, square both sides. Alpha minus beta square. Other side what? 4a square, square both sides, right? Both sides square it. So now expand this alpha square minus 2 alpha beta plus beta square equal to 4a square. Now you know the idea, we need to apply these values here. There's no chance if a alpha square plus beta square, take the first and the last. Alpha plus beta completely square, then subtract the totally 4, ne? 4 alpha beta equal to 4a square. Now apply everything, you have the answer there. Show that there's a problem given here, answer given here, show that. Is it okay? 36 minus 4c equal 4a square. So divide by 4 everywhere. Then you have the answer, ne? A square equal 9 minus c, right? A square equal 9 minus c. That's the problem, right? I explained with the method 1. Okay, this is easy. Or see another method. Method 2. Method 2. So they said one root is, that means roots are differ by 2a. There one is alpha, other one is alpha minus 2a or alpha plus 2a. Is it okay? Difference should become 2a. If you subtract from the large number, small subtract, it should come 2a, right? There we say roots are alpha comma can I say alpha minus 2a. So what the difference? 2a, no? Large number minus small number subtract, different is 2a. So we don't know here what the big one, but you very clear here alpha is the biggest one, then you subtract. Alpha minus this subtract, answer is 2a. Okay, therefore what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta minus 6. So here I not shown beta. That's the special here, this method. Without beta we can calculate. You decide that, okay? So 2 alpha equal 2a minus 6. So cut by this what you call by 2. Alpha equal a minus 3. I say 1. Sum of the root. That's why this theory is important. Without the sum of the roots Without the product of the roots, you can't study these quadratic equations. Very simple, but unfortunate. If you come to the when the will in the grade 13 next 2022. Unfortunately, you forgot this all. You won't try in the exam paper. You try the biggest integration, calculus part, circle, complex numbers, matrices, series. That's you are busy on those sections. You forgot this. But try this. Always keep in touch because it's a grade 12 chapter. Final papers also. Grade 12 chapter problems. That means your problems. This is the final OAL papers. So keep in touch. Don't avoid this. Don't ignore this quadratic equation. Quadratic equations, trigonometry are grade 12 chapters. Final papers for the same knowledge. So next one, alpha into beta. Alpha into beta. What is that? C over A. Can I say second equation? Or better, wait. Multiply by alpha. Alpha square minus 2A alpha equal to C. I say second. No, connect the both. Remove the alpha by substitutes. So 1, 2 gives you alpha for A minus 3 square minus 2A alpha for A minus 3 equal to C. Now you can get the answer. Check. You can get the answer. Right here, A square minus 6A here minus 2A. Then alpha for that A square 3A square. You can get the answer to complete it. Then you decide which is easy method. No problem. Whatever full marks. Whatever method you follow, the marks is complete. Okay, next I show you question number 15. Question number 15, my tute. Go through and try that question. Over the question, I hope you got the answer, right? Find the positive value of k. Find the positive value of k for which 8x square minus 2kx plus k equal to 0 has first part 2 equal roots. There are two parts. First we complete this. Find the values of k for which 8x square minus 2x plus k equal to 0 has 2 equal roots. So this morning I successfully complete all the theory part for the quadratic equation. Later we have quadratic function. Don't confuse any tudes or any books if you use. Don't confuse. Quadratic function separate chapter. This is quadratic equation. So every quadratic equation has two solutions. What about the solutions are? They can be real answers or equal answers or imaginary answers. Everything depending on the value called what? Delta. I said delta, or English meaning discriminant, or delta is called b square minus 4ac is called discriminant or delta, right? Okay, so first part here, find the value of k then this given equation has two equal roots. Two equal roots. Two same answer. What do you mean equal root? Both are same. I gave my note in this morning that the lesson that becomes complete square form. Ne? X minus 2 all things square. X plus 8 all things square. There has two solution problems. Okay. So two equal roots. Therefore, delta 0. Study that, right? Two equal samamula. Then the discriminant is 0. Delta equal to 0. What is delta standard form? B square minus 4AC. Here what A? A is 8. Huh? This is A. This is B. This is C. So what is delta? B square minus 4A into C equal to 0. B square minus 4AC is the delta. Now we are after your primary class work. Find the K value. Find the K value. Okay, what that 4k square minus 32k equal to 0, right? Now take the 4k out or divide by 4, take k out, take the k out. It's not O-level mathematics, advanced maths. Take the k out. So what is that? K minus 8, 0. Therefore don't miss to say k 0. And k is 8. Two answers. K is 0 or K is 8. K is 0 or K is 8, right? Two solution. K is 0 or K equal 8. What happened? K comes 0. K 0 means x square is 0, right? Okay, is 8. Okay, that's the answer for that first part. Next there, second part. Two real roots. One is double the other. And the data. And the further. First data is completed. Now the second occasion they say one answer is double the other. As we work today many problem now. So find the K value. So how that one? Second answer. You take let the roots are what? One is double the other. If one is 5, other one is 10. If one is 6, other one is 12, right? Therefore I say alpha, not need beta, say 2 alpha. Therefore roots are alpha, comma 2 alpha. Alpha, comma 2 alpha, right? And now follow. So I mention alpha, try to remove the alpha from the equation. Sum of the root and the product of the root. So therefore alpha plus beta minus b over a. Minus b over a. What is here? B over a. Minus 2k. A is 8. So 3 alpha equal k by 4. Okay. K by 4. Therefore alpha equal k by 12. Okay, that. 3 alpha. So what we mentioned, we have to find that before finishing the problem. So I know alpha k by 12. This is sum of the root theory. Another one. Product of the root. Alpha into beta. Alpha into 2 alpha equal to C over A, that is K over 8. alpha into beta, C over A, or answer K by 8. That's all. So 2, convert alpha square, no? We can put it, or I say, can I say therefore alpha square equal K by 16? Alpha square equal K by 16, K by 16. What is alpha? K by 12. Put alpha for K by 12. Write alpha for K by 12. All things square equal K by 16. Now that's like a oral mathematics. That is a quadratic equation here, see. Then find the K answers. Find the suitable K values. That K square over 12 square, or 12 times 12, there K over 16, cut by 4, here 4 times, here 3 times, cut another 4 here 3 times, so K square equal 9K, take this side, take the K out. So what are the answers? It's like oral mathematics hereafter, ne? K is 0. Is it okay? K is 9. If any problem, tell me. If anything wrong, correct me. I think it's the answer. K is 0. K is 9, right? K is 0. K is 9. Okay, I show next question. Problem number 16. Try my tube question number 16. Question number 16. So next lesson tomorrow, I already scheduled all my timetable for 20, 21 and 21 revision, 22. So tomorrow you have that 8 hours to 10 hours in morning hours, right? Morning 8 to 10. We'll see the same again. Next week I start the applied one day, parallelly other day pure maths, right? Next tomorrow 8 morning to 10 o'clock. The same lesson will continue, right? Okay, see question number 16, try that. Given that one root of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 is 3 times the other root. It's 3 times the other root. Then show the answer. 3b square equals 16ac. So now a good idea this type of question. That's why I take all similar fashion, similar type of one by one. Then you can use it, get experience of by working the previous to the next question. But once you complete one problem, similar fashion, you know the idea to complete the other one. So one root is 3 times the other root. What do you mean? If one is 5, other one 15. One is 8, other one is 24. One is 2, other one is 8. 3 times. Then you say alpha, don't say beta, say 3 alpha and complete the answer. Let the roots are alpha comma 3 alpha. Let the roots are alpha comma 3 alpha. then go to the value. Alpha, therefore you have to find alpha. What you mentioning any new terms in the problem, you can't keep it at the final. You will remove that alpha. So one is alpha, the other one is 3 alpha. Therefore alpha plus beta generally minus b over a. What is alpha plus 3 alpha? 4 alpha equal minus b over a. So alpha equal minus b over 4a, right? That's my first, I eliminate the alpha. I found that alpha, what I mentioned alpha. One root is that. There, what the other root? 4 times of this, 4 times of the, 3 times of that, 3 times of that. Okay. Next word, alpha into beta. Sum of the roots, the other one product of the roots, right? Alpha into beta. Alpha into 3 alpha is equal to what? C over A, no? C over A. So what is that? Alpha square is what? C over 3A. Okay. Say number 2. C over 3A. That's all. This pure maths work. Here after simple O-level mathematics or basic mathematics. Remove the alpha. Put alpha for this. Apply alpha for minus b over alpha for minus b over 3a. 4 and connect it and get the answer. How that 1 comma 2, the answer is there. 1 comma 2. What is that? Put alpha for that, ne? So alpha for what? Minus b over 4a, right? Minus b over 4a. All things square equal to c over 3a. C over 3a. So therefore b square over 16a square equal to c over 3a. So 3a b square 1a cut 16ac. We have the answer, right? So a good question. So actually that's a super. Your choice is best to join here with me. Get full opportunity, full ideas of every. Not only this, every lessons. I start from the beginning to advance all type of questions. You have to copy and you have to work your own hereafter. Keep always time to work yourself. Otherwise, worst of going classes or going or beyond the online. You have to work many your own time. That's the best studying for especially for mathematics. Okay, see next I show you problem 31 in my tude question number 31. All you mark that, but once you complete mark that. Otherwise confused. I also confused, you have to help me, but the problem I've done already. So question number 31, problem 31. All similar ideas, right? So that find the condition that one root of the quadratic equation ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0. What is that? N times the other. N times. So you work here to 2 times, 3 times, like that, n times. Then get an expression in terms of ABC relation. Therefore we say let the roots are what? If I say one is alpha, Other one is n alpha, right? N alpha. One is alpha, say other one is n alpha. So try to remove the alpha, then you have the answer what they expect. So try that. One root is n times of the other. One root is n times of the other. Then find the answer or relation between coefficients, a comma b and c, right? Relation between that. So write our famous alpha plus beta minus b over a, minus b over a. Take the alpha out. What is that? 1 plus n equal minus 2b over a. Therefore, alpha equal minus 2b over a into 1 plus n. Okay? Is it okay? First equation in terms of n. One root n times of the other, right? One root n times of the other, this expression. Then what the other one? Multiplication, product of the root c over a, right? Next one, alpha into n alpha, alpha into n alpha, c over a. Or otherwise, alpha square is, what is that? C over na. Okay? Now connect both. Remove the alpha. Substitute. Write this alpha here. Put the alpha here. Then get an expression form, right? That's the case, meaning of this answer. One root n times of the other. Then find the value, show that expression in terms of ABC. Relation between ABC. One comma 2 gives you, what is that? Alpha is square it, then minus square plus 4b square over a square into 1 plus n completely square. The other side, what is that? C over na. Then something they are show that කියලා දෙනවනේ. පොඩි simplify කරලා දෙන්න. Cut 1a cancel, right? So 4b square n equal a into 1 plus n all things square is the relation. They ask any format, you can build up that, right? So I hope you understood this pattern, the roots, how they vary, then how to solve or how to show the expressions given. Okay, next question here, I read that. You write this, that's my problem in the tude. Write this question. If the quadratic equation x square minus px plus q equal to 0 has two successive roots, show that p square equal 4q plus 1. Show that p square equal 4q plus 1. This is the problem. If the quadratic equation has two successive roots, So what do you mean successive roots? Successive. නැත්තම් continuous අනිවාර්ත පද දිගටම එනවා අර 5 means 6, 7 means 8. Next one. Successive or consecutively. 100 means 101. One more. Next. Alpha means what? Don't say beta, but that alpha plus 1. If one answer is 10, other answer is 11, right? If one is 23, other one is 24. One is 1, other one is 2. If one is 0, other can't take the 0, then one is 0, other one is 1. One more, successive. Therefore, we say the roots are alpha and alpha plus 1. And continue. Roots are, let the roots are alpha, comma, alpha plus 1. Alpha, comma, alpha plus 1. Then write the method, sum of the roots and product of the roots. Therefore, alpha plus beta form, what is that? Minus b over a. A for 1, b for minus p, c for q. So 2 alpha equal p minus 1. And confine the alpha value, divide by 2. So YouTube viewers, please subscribe this, then you can get all my videos once I publish after finish my institute class or Zoom lessons. It's all a Zoom recording, and you can view so many lesson attractive videos here. So subscribe and press that bell sign also, press that, and you connect it all these videos. Okay, therefore the alpha answer is half into p minus 1 or divide by 2, no? It's the case you find the alpha. One root is one more. One roots are one more. Alpha and alpha plus 1. Therefore this alpha 2 alpha plus 1. Therefore alpha is that, right? Next, right? Product of the root alpha into alpha plus 1, product of the root c over a, therefore q only, right? In this case you can say alpha square plus 1 alpha equal to q. If I take first equation here say second equation. Now connect the both, put alpha for that, get the answer. Substitute alpha for that and get the answer. Connect 1, 2 gives you alpha square. What is alpha square? 1 over 4 p minus 1 square plus alpha half into p minus 1 equal to q. And now we can get the answer. Let us simplify the given there. P square equal 4q plus 1 pattern. Successive roots, one is alpha, other one is alpha plus 1. Okay, any form? Get the simplest form. So you multiply 4 here, multiply 4 and take the p minus 1 out. Take the p minus 1 out and multiply 4. This is p minus 1 plus here 2 into, okay, and that side 4q, ne? 4q, right? I took the p minus 1 out, then p minus 1, here multiply 4 also, here that take the p minus 1 that. So therefore is it p minus 1, always follow a simple method. See, I took the common factor, take p minus 1 out, take the p minus 1 out, right? So what is that here? P minus 1 plus 2 plus 1, okay, minus 2, 1 plus 2 is plus 1, that's equal to 4q. So therefore p minus 1, p plus 1 is p square minus 1 equal to 4q, and then you have answer what that p square equal 4q plus 1, right? P square equal 4q plus 1, p square equal 4q plus 1. Right, next question, some additional problem again not in the tute. Write this. If the roots of the equation, if one root of the equation, if one root of the equation x square plus bx plus c equals 0, is square of the other, show that c into a minus bq, c into a minus bq equal a into c minus bq. So the valuable problems can be explained in exams. If any problem asked in this type, these are the question. No any problem in these types hereafter. The idea is this. So start the problem. One root is square of the other. Show that answer. Square of the other, then show that answer. So this so let the roots are what is that? We say one is 5, other one is 25, ne? Alpha and alpha square. If it's 20 or others 400. One root is square of the other. So if I say one root is alpha, other root is alpha square, not need beta, right? So build up equation, try to find the alpha. So what we mentioned, you will remove that from the equation, from the problem. So at the very first, a sum of the roots alpha plus beta equal to minus b over a. Okay, alpha plus beta, here not beta, alpha square equal to minus b over a. Here only that, right? Let's see. First equation, right? You can't say alpha and alpha square single term. That's the equation, that's all. Next write alpha into beta. Alpha into beta, that means what? Alpha into alpha square C over A. C over A, okay? So alpha cube is C over A. I say my second equation. Now by connecting both you can find. So here see alpha cube, one problem we met earlier, 27. Alpha cube 27, therefore alpha is 3. Or alpha cube 125, alpha is 5. If it's power 3, you have answer. So here what alpha cube is that? Alpha is what? C over A power 1/3 cubic root. Okay. Then you can take the 1/3, put here. You can get the answer, but something confused. You have to get, you can receive the answer by simplifying alpha for that. But sometimes if you failure in the indices, some knowledge, squaring, make cubic both side like a squaring, it take long time to get the final answer. But they mentioned to show. Therefore, see I explain one method here. What is alpha cube? Then you know alpha. This is alpha. Take the alpha and put here alpha for what? You can get the answer. Or otherwise, see this method. Add 1 and 2. So what the idea? You have to remove the alpha. Keeping the alpha you can't find. See previous more question we done now. You can't find without removing the alpha, right? Therefore now, see one method I am removing the alpha. Add 1 and 2, First equation alpha. Second equation alpha square. Third equation alpha cube equal. Add 1 and 2. First is alpha. Second is alpha square. Third is alpha cube. What is the answer? Minus B over A plus C over A. Okay. Minus B over A plus C over A, right? Now see, take the alpha out. Factorization, common factor take out. Then here 1. Alpha square, alpha take out, 1 alpha. Alpha cube, alpha take out, alpha square. What is here? C minus B over A. C minus B over A. So I am going to find the alpha value now. See all the question we found alpha. Then put that alpha once again in one of the equation. You have that expression. See here alpha. Here 1, 1, 1, 1. What is alpha plus alpha square? What is alpha plus alpha square? Minus B over A, right? That is minus B over A equal C minus B over A. Okay. So alpha into A minus B over A. Here C minus B over A. See A cancel. We have the alpha answer. See, this is one method. This is the easy method actually. That is difficult. If you take the alpha is 1/3, I know you can't complete properly. That's why I follow this method, right? So what I mention as alpha 1 root, I remove that by eliminate by their values A, B, C in terms of A, B and C. Now go to your this equation. Alpha cube is that. Answer. See that in the second equation. Put in the second equation. Substitute in the second equation alpha for what? C minus B over A minus B cube equals C over A. Now take the A other side, take the C this side, check there's the answer, right? So very useful day today, this morning and here night. evening hours, full opportunity to complete more parts in the quadratic equation. One of the big exam problem. I'm going to write another question. I have to read that one, not in my tute, my additional problems. Write this question. If a root of the equation, if a root of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is square of the reciprocal of the other root, then show that AQ plus BQ, AQ plus CQ plus 3ABC equal to 0. See an interesting question. AQ plus CQ, no 3, ABC equals 0. AQ plus CQ plus ABC is 0 if the root of that given equation is reciprocal of the square other one. What do you mean that? If one root of the equation is reciprocal of the square of the other root. What do you mean reciprocal? Paraspara. That means 1 over, 5? Reciprocal 1 over 5. If you say 1 is 7, reciprocal 1 over 7. Reciprocal. So what the idea here? So the equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here one root is square reciprocal of the other one, or reciprocal of the square of the other one. That means you decide. For example, one answer is 3. What the other answer? One answer 3 means what the other answer? 1 over, make a square like a varga, 1 over 9. A 1 is 7. What the other answer? 1 over 49. That's the meaning. Reciprocal of the square. The equation one root is reciprocal of the square of the previous one. Reciprocal of the other one, right? One answer reciprocal of the other one. Then they are show that answer, right? Okay, then you have to see the answer. Say one root is alpha, and find the other root. So let the roots are what is that? Alpha, comma, the other no beta. Say 1 over alpha square. That's the method. One root is reciprocal of the other, square of the reciprocal. Not reciprocal, square of the reciprocal. If one is 5, other one is 1 over 25. If one is 7, other one is 1 over 9, right? That's the case. And now build up, create the method. Sum of the roots method, product of the root method, right? Therefore, alpha plus beta minus b over a, alpha plus beta minus b over a, say one equation. So you can simplify that, you leave it for say first one. Now remove alpha into beta, alpha into beta, that is c over a, c over a, okay? Here you can find the alpha. 1 over alpha, c over a, therefore alpha equal to what? A over c, ne? Alpha equal a over c. That's the method. Now put it in the first equation. Put alpha for a over c in the first equation. Get the answer. All very useful. So not only now, keep in touch. Ayatha hadala tiyaga, lassanta hadala tiyaga under very important types. Today mostly work such a question. There are various types of problem in the past papers or future. If you work by selecting those items, then problem become easy. Is okay, put that ne, substitute current alpha with the first equation. If you apply alpha for that, alpha is a over c plus what is 1 over alpha square, c square over a, okay, minus b over a, alpha equal a over c plus c square over 1 over alpha square, 1 over, that is c square over a square, no? C square over a square equal minus b over a, right? And now multiple everywhere by the LCM. Multiple by the LCM a square. Everywhere multiple by the a square, right? Therefore in this case what? A square c, no? Multiple by a square c. Oral maths here, after oral mathematics. Multiple by a square c everywhere. So what? A cube, a square c, then c cube, a square c, 1a cancel, minus a b c. Take this side, or a cube plus c cube. Okay, that equal to minus a, so a plus a b c, right? A cube plus c cube plus a b c, right? Okay, we'll see one question before finishing. See my question 25, my tude problem 25. Question number 25, right? So next class tomorrow, right? So 2022, my scheduled time. Tomorrow 8 a.m. That means morning hours up to 10. I will show some more attractive another type of question, this QE chapter. Next class, next week we'll study the parallelly applied NPO, right? See that question 25. Given that alpha and beta are the roots of x square equal x minus 2, find the value of 1 over alpha square plus 1 over beta square. First part. Second part, show that alpha power 4 equal 2 minus 3 alpha. So tell your friends that so many came now in the queue. I can't connect them because first they must entitled register by giving their name and everything. But the පිළිවෙලට ළමයිට පමණයි ආවට කියන මේ connect කරන්න නැහැ. So tell them to join before that. What you Abhishek or Mukhtar and Yusuf, how do you join this? The similar fashion should be others. I think of your friends or someone. They waiting or they came in the queue, but no possibility. Automatically Google Drive read this index term, that card number and the name. Therefore they must before come to the lesson they must schedule clearly by entering their details. Okay, see quickly this problem. This is not a quadratic format, ne? Therefore take all one side x square minus x plus 2 equal to 0 is the quadratic equation, this pattern. They say the roots are alpha and beta. Then write quickly what is alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Minus b over a. That is 1. That is 1, right? Alpha into beta, c over a. Okay? Alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Okay? And first part simple, but we've done already this morning also. Now see, first complete the first part. 1 over alpha square plus 1 over beta square, but the answer, simplify. You take the LCM, alpha square, beta square, then cross multiple, that you are O-level mathematics algebraic fraction style. Like this, the idea always you need the alpha plus beta answer and the alpha into beta answer. Then you know now you are familiar with this. You can teach me these lessons hereafter. Alpha plus beta all things square minus 2 alpha beta, okay, over alpha beta all things square. Therefore the answer alpha plus beta 1. Okay, they have 1 square 1. 2 times 2 4 over 2, ne? So what is the answer? Minus 3 over 2 as a primary work, right? Simple case, that is right. Okay, next we move the second part. Show this answer, show this, right? Show this answer. Similar problem there. After completing you can work problem 27. Problem 27 also similar fashion as a homework. Before I come again to this lesson, better you complete it, then only is interesting. So 27 also similar fashion, right? Okay, balamu. See this question, alpha power 4. So all the previous question we said one root is double the other or square of the other or 3 times of the other, or at last one is reciprocal, square of the reciprocal, and we have some pattern to get the final solution. Here nothing. Here no. Only the roots are given, alpha and beta. Then you know that alpha plus beta and alpha into beta only. Right. Now see, alpha power 4 minus equal to 2 minus 3 alpha answer. See how that method. No beta here. So beta also can be a same pattern. Beta to the power 4 equal 2 minus 3 beta. Same fashion. Okay. See, that idea is you learn in O-level mathematics quadratic. Always I take an example from the O-level part, because what I am telling here, these are simple lessons. First time reading grade 12 chapter. That's why I am quoting some example from O-levels. So in a quadratic equation, see for example, x square, we say x minus 2, otherwise say x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. If we solve, x becomes 2. X is 2, check. X is 2. And put if x is 2. Put x4 2. Put x4 2. What is the answer? 4. Okay, is it? Put x4 2 4 minus x4 2 8 plus 4. What is the answer? 0. So what I am showing here, if we know the solution of an equation, you can substitute that answer, that solution or that root in the given original problem. See a simple example, x square minus 4x plus 4 is 0. Make hadala balanda answer x is 2. Then you can put x4 2. It should satisfy වෙනවා තෘප්ති වෙනවානේ. X equal to 2 is solution. It becomes 0. Same idea here. They said roots are alpha and beta. We take one. Root is alpha. Root is alpha. Also beta. We take about alpha only because in the answer alpha. Therefore, you can put x for alpha. You can put x for alpha. Alpha square equal alpha minus 2. That's all. That's the method. Study this. Once you learn only, you know. Otherwise, first time reading difficult. So if you go tuition class, board copy karla back. You have to think for the future knowledge. Okay. Now see alpha power 4. What do you mean power 4? Square it. If we square, possible for alpha power 4. Then maybe the answer. Square both sides. Square both sides, show that. First time reading, I am showing that. For both sides, square it. So this is alpha power 4. Alpha square minus 4 alpha plus 4. Okay. Okay, that. Now see, check with the answer we have to go. Alpha power 4. What is alpha square? See here. Alpha square is alpha minus 2 minus 4 alpha plus 4. Okay. Therefore, alpha power 4 equal minus 2 plus 4 plus 2 alpha minus 4 alpha HRI. So by one, if you once learn it, it becomes simple case, right? So I complete earlier, the one root is double the other, O2 iso square. That is different issue. This is different issue, right? It's the case of finding one root alpha or same, beta means the same. Beta power 4 equal 2 minus 3 beta. So variable questions, you have to practice, you have to, I have 3 tudes, maybe 100 plus problems in all. So no time to work everything. Main issue I will complete. So you have to work the rest of the parts. Okay guys, I'll stop now. Today is the lesson is over. Expect me tomorrow. Come on time. And the newcomer should be entitled. There's a procedure to link this now. Otherwise, no chance. So next also I complete more problem this. So study the. So I said question number 27. Stay same. Stay. Metana mendala hadala ivara karanda me same. See problem 27. Similar fashion. Then I can show tomorrow morning this one. Tomorrow that 8 to 10 hours. Morning 8 o'clock. I will send the schedule for you and you can connect with. Okay then. Good night. Thanks for joining here with me.